Welcome back to our tour of the bookings board. In this video, we'll look at the board settings. Clicking the board settings button opens a dialog with 3 tabs. The first tab is called Card Titles. This tab lets you customize what name appears on the appointment cards when you are in the bookings board full view. You can choose which fields from your different forms, whether it's the main booking form, the estimate form, or even imported data, are used to create the display name. For example, maybe you don't care about the client's name and you just want to know what kind of a device is submitted, so you can change the board title settings to cater that need. The second tab is bonus codes. This gives you a complete list of every active single-use bonus code you've generated. You can see which appointment each code is assigned to and delete them if needed. The third tab is Data Import. This is a fantastic feature for getting your existing data into Booki Booki. You can upload a JSON file from a Trello board, a spreadsheet from Excel, or even a batch of past PDF invoices. The system will analyze the files and create new appointment cards for you in the imported column, saving you hours of manual data entry. Please note that this feature uses our AI assistant, which is currently in beta. Because the format in which businesses use to store data varies, this import can fail at times or not display things the way you want it. But for the most part, it works great, especially if your imported data has a matching content to the form fields you have created here. Our recommendation is to first create your templates and create your booking forms, estimate forms, and bonus forms. And once ready, bring in your other documents. Also, please note that if you are importing into the bookings board, what this app does is that it creates each card and treats them as a past or future appointment. What we recommend is to deactivate notifications to your clients so that if the system detects it as an appointment, it doesn't automatically send a notification to your client. AI is a powerful tool, but it can make mistakes. Once you start the upload, it will upload all the cards in the import column of the bookings board. Please click on the eye icon on the column to see the list. If you notice things are going wrong as the cards are being uploaded, you can stop the import process by refreshing your page.